Hey FUSD families, Memphis in Studio 1A at Santan Heights with something fun to tell you. Wanna hunt turkeys?
Gobble, 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 gobble.
Well, not like that. Mr. Hillerman always joking around. Let me tell you the details. There are 27 turkeys hidden in the neighborhoods in our district between November 19th and November 26th. Find each one and take a selfie with it.
Let me take a selfie.
Send in all your selfies as a collage for a chance to win a prize pack. Each turkey selfie is worth 1 point. Prizes will be awarded for the top 3 submissions. Happy Thanksgiving and happy hunting! Gobble, gobble!